Okay, I actually decided to open it before I make my toast because I have both like rye and like sourdough, so I thought we would figure out which one would be best. I'm very particular. I want this thing to. Okay, I'm gonna set you like. Christ alive. Okay, hold on. Okay. So this is day one. Yeah. Oh my god, it is so cute. Decorate the tree. I'm not. What does that even mean? I'm not gonna do that. Okay. I don't know why it says decorate the tree. Alright, we got quince spread. And I literally have no idea what that is. Quince juice, brown cane sugar, water, concentrated lemon. Oh, okay. So it's gonna be like a citrus, like a really bright and refreshing one. I'll do my white bread, just because since I don't know what this is, that will help me get the clearest flavor of what this is. Okay, so I'm going to be using Mayor's Premium Italian to make my toast, only because I haven't had quince. I should probably look up what it is before I do anything. So we'll do that too, and I think I'll make a very neutral toast, like not even that dark and that much. Bing bong. I don't have any coffee because our coffee pot is broken. So I guess I could make a tea, but I just want to enjoy this. Ding. Look at it, it's so cute and small. Here it is compared to an actual, there she is, blackberry. Not my favorite, I like the blueberry, but the blackberry is also really good. So here's a normal one, and here's the teensy weensy little tiny one. See, it's so cute and small. Sorry. And while the toast is going, holding my cat over the toaster. Diabolical. Okay. I said I was gonna get something. Oh, what was it? Oh, I was gonna look at my. I'm back. I'm gonna look up what quince means. Quinceañera is the only word I have in my brain, and I don't think it's that. Quince. Yelly. Quince cheese, also known as quince paste. Quince cheese. Oh, that's not cheese, it's like a jelly, it's like a fruit jelly. Is a sweet and tart, thick jelly made of the pulp of the quince fruit. Okay, so what the hell is a quince then? That's where my quince fruit. Oh. So, okay, there's these, I thought these were lemons. They're quince, which makes sense. It makes sense. And they are from, I don't know. Hold on, we'll get there. I'm not there yet. Let's see. Quince fruit is a hard yellow fruit from the rose family and Sidonia's oblonga tree, native to the Caucasus in northern Persia. Oh, white people jelly! Caucasian jelly! So it's like a pear or a hard apple. Okay, so I think because this also has lemon juice in it, well, that might be to keep it from oxidizing. Okay, so I'm gonna guess apple-y pear flavor, and it looks like it's gonna be pretty tart because it says it's too astringent to eat raw. So my toast is ready. After all that time running around. Let's see. Oh, I don't want to crack it open. I want to keep it this. I want to like it forever. Okay, hold on. We'll get it on video so that it's not a big deal. Ooh! I made the cutest little pop. I forgot that they did that. Okay. Oh, you can't smell. You're a video. Okay. It smells good. I mean, it smells like jelly. Oh, that's so good. I think that's what, I'm making a video. Can you not like chew the cookies while I'm, thank you. Oh, you're fine, you're good, baby. Okay, so it tastes very apple pear. Yeah, it's like, you know how they make apples like really spicy and cinnamony for fall? I was gonna say that this is like a spring version of that. It's a lot brighter, but honestly this also has a lot of fall. Like this would be really nice in the fall. I think this would be really great on a croissant because it is pretty like, it's not heavy. Like it's not gonna be like a molasses that's gonna make the croissant like really dense and gross. But I have dog hair all over my toes. This is disgusting. But I think it would go really well with like the buttery flakiness of a croissant. So I'm glad I picked the white bread. I can see, so there are like bigger pieces of fruit, and then it spreads really thin. It's like a, this is what I have experience with in marmalade. These are so small. I mean, it's the perfect size for 2 pieces of toast, but I won't be able to share with anybody unless I give up one of my pieces of toast. Okay. Yay! Solid first day. I'm very happy about it. I'm gonna eat all of these. Anybody want to smell? You want to smell? The dogs are smelling, so. Oh, Pumpkin, you want to smell? We'll do it over there so you can see them. So cute. I don't know if they can eat keys, so I'm not gonna give them any. Also, I'm selfish. Thank you. Bye.